Hello children, we will take standard 6 moral science, chapter 10 humility. Now what is the meaning of humility? Humility means to be humble. Okay, now there is a Sanskrit slok which says that Vidya Datati Vinayam, which means knowledge leads to humility. As a tree laden with fruits bows down, similarly a person having true knowledge becomes humble. That means when you gain true knowledge, you become humble. In this story given below, you will learn what true education is. Okay. Now here we'll read about a story where there is a man called Mr. Malik who had two sons, Rajneesh and Rohan, whom he sent abroad for further studies after they had completed their graduation. And a few years later, both of them then returned. As Mr. Malik wanted to test how much they had learnt, he one day asked them both and asked, the son's name was Rajneesh and Rohan. He asked Rohan first, what did you learn in all these years? The son replied that, Father, it won't be possible for me to tell you all that I have learned. I have indeed acquired a lot of knowledge about the world around me, and my knowledge is truly vast. You should be proud that your son is so well educated. Now Mr. Malik was somewhat not convinced with the words of his arrogant son. Words of his arrogant son means the reply which his son gave, he was not satisfied and he was speaking in a very proud manner. Arrogance means very proudly. Okay. He then turned towards his other son Rajneesh and asked the same question. The father replied to his question. Repeated his question. Then Rajneesh replied, Father, I have learnt a lot, but every time whenever I learn something new, I felt that there was much more that I had to learn. Today when I look back, I feel